My name's Tony Carter. I'm the engineering manager here at Grace Foods UK Corwin. We produce a variety of products ranging from sauces to powders and pulses for the catering and the retail industry. We look to Omron and Reeco to invest in a piece of kit that will give us some return on investment. So we had a pot of money here that we wanted to do just that. The robot palletiser was an option that we considered to be the best option on site. Omron and Reeco assisted us with a solution and provided us with a solution there.
My name's Phil Perry. I'm the technical sales manager at Reeco Automation. So Grace Foods approached us mainly to tackle one key area of the factory, which was getting product onto a pallet. Quite simple in theory, but a lot more challenging. There was a lot of SKUs, a lot of information we need to absorb and take on, and really work collaboratively with the customer to get a right application and the right solution on that shop floor to make sure that product leaves as accurate as possible. So once we had all the information, we put forward the RB2000 with the layer card option so that we could remove the people from the end of that line and we could utilise the staff elsewhere.
Obviously, it's reduced the number of people we require to run the line now by 20%, so that's a significant sum. Also is the throughputs and efficiencies as well. It's the reliability of the kit. We don't incur any downtime, and also is taking out the manual handling aspect of that area of the palletising that we had. It's a good step forward for us.
Reeco Automation is now an end-of-line material handling specialist. We started off as a bespoke supplier many years ago, and we've refined, mainly led by customers and our relationship with Omron. And what we wanted to achieve as a business, we've changed that now to material handling, so we can erect a box, we can fill the box, we'll seal the box, we'll put that box on a pallet, and again, with our relationship with Omron, we can then use AMR technology to transfer that pallet to its next destination. And in a nutshell, that's what Reeco and Omron bring to a customer. It's that collaborative partnership approach to put the right piece of equipment on the end of line to make sure that product leaves the door in its best state possible.
I'm Robert Meakin, and I'm the System Integrator Manager for Omron Electronics. The obvious part you see when you look at a palletiser is the robot arm, but actually it's much more than that. What makes this solution unique, where we've worked with Reeco, is to design the inside of it. Everything is connected on the Omron Sysmac platform, so that's the safety scanner, the sensors inside of it, the servo motor, industrial PC, and the HMI screen on the front, which is the interface. Everything talks on one simple network, and we've co-developed the software for the operating system for the palletizer jointly with Reeco, which means it's a very, very flexible and adaptable system. If they change the product, it'll only take them a few minutes to actually change the palletizer over to work with a new product.
Part of the reliability of our system is, and also our support for the customer, not only from that initial point of install and when the sale is complete, is to continue to support that customer moving forward as well. So every system that we put out has the camera, has the remote access. So if there are any issues, we can remote in from our base in Newtown and we can fix most of the problems from base. If we need to get out and come and see a customer, again, not a problem, we can get that done as well.
The Omron and Reeco partnership has helped us here on site in that we've now got a fully operating robot palletiser that's producing the efficiencies we need on site to get that return on investment. Very positive.